In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off dark mode in Pipedrive. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is log into your Pipedrive account. Go ahead and enter your credentials on the login page. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll land on your main dashboard. This is where the magic happens. Now that you're on your dashboard, look towards the top right corner of the screen where you'll see your account options. Here, you'll want to click on My Account. This will take you to your account settings page where you can adjust various features related to your account. After clicking on My Account, you'll notice a variety of settings options. Here, find and select Personal Preferences. This is where you'll be able to customize your user experience, including the theme settings. Next, we're going to delve a bit deeper. Look for the option labeled Interface Preferences and go ahead and click on it. This section is dedicated to appearance adjustments, and it's where you can switch things up to lighten your interface. Now you're almost there. Within the Interface Preferences, you'll see the theme settings. There's a drop-down menu where you can choose your preferred theme. By default, it may be set to dark mode, which is great for reducing eye strain in low light. But if you're looking to switch things up, just click on that drop-down menu and select the light or standard option. Once you've made your selection, don't forget to save your changes. It's super important to click the Save button to apply your new settings and lock in that light theme workspace. You want to make sure that your preferences are preserved for future visits. And that's it. You've successfully turned off dark mode in Pipedrive and switched to a brighter interface. Just a quick recap. Log into your account, go to My Account, select Personal Preferences, then navigate to Interface Preferences, choose the light theme from the drop-down, and finally make sure to hit Save. If you run into any glitches or don't see the options I mentioned, make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Sometimes, features can vary slightly between versions. If you're still having trouble, Pipedrive has a great support center where you can find further assistance. I hope you found this video helpful. For more tips and tricks on using Pipedrive effectively, don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover in future videos, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.